Not again, Wally. Come on, mate. You can't lift him. Holy moly. Can you go that way? Go that way? Yeah. Go on. Bending that rod. You can't control him, can you? Step back a bit, will you? Because the rod's not so much angle. That's it. What the hell have you got, man? The Loch Ness Monster? I told you, I didn't name this like Jurassic Park for nothing. Wally! Any more line left?
Yeah. Couple meters.
Oh, you're funny, man.
Alright, now we're gonna fight.
Alright, now we're in for a long battle, right?
Oh yeah, I think it took about.
Mate, I'm done. Oh, I need like, you know, I need a massage, full body.
One more fish.
Looks like you're gonna need one after this too, by the looks of it.
Ooh, yeah.
Bring it on, mate. Bring it on. Oh, no, you're not on too, are you? Oh my God.
Yeah.
Nah, now I've seen it all. Oh, he's onto a freaking. Hey, listen up, he's gonna lose it. Let him go. Yeah, there you go. Holy freaking moly.
Wow.
This is crazy, man.
Wow.
Sorry, well, I can't record you anymore. This one's oh my God. Look at the body language on this one.
Under.
Mate, this is the Westgate team at its best, at its finest.
100%.
At its finest. Oh, look at that double buckle. Go bucket, go Wally. Mate, this is insane fishing at its best, honestly.
Come on, Wally. Take it home.
Oh baby.
It's hard to beat. Wally's been on it for a while. I reckon Wally's the one might be a bit grey on the grey side.
Here's a shark.
Oh mate, I reckon I'm hoping I'm wrong, but I reckon it could be highly.
Could be a GT.
It's up here anyway.
Oh, not the GT talk now, but come on, man. Look at that. Look. For a setup.
I want to see what Backers is. Went to know.
Bucker's got no line left. Mate, he's winching on the 20 Stella, or the 10 Stella. Come on, Wall. What's going on, mate? We got colour yet, mate? He's gonna go.
Hold on now. That's not a shark, is it?
Mate, if that's not a shark,
It's
I'm
not a
gonna
shark.
freak. Oh my God! Look at this!
Where's the gap?
Friggin' hell!
Hurry up, guys,
You thought
please.
your 12 kilo was big.
Quick, this one's ancient, man.
That's a dinosaur. Hang on. No, take it easy. What are you doing? Oh my God. Allah. Woohoo! That's a big.
That is a monster.
I told you.
That's a fit. Oh, Bucket's still on. Sorry, Bucket.
See this, man.
Put the gaff in his mouth. Put the gaff in his mouth and lift him.
Oh, give me the gaff.
In his mouth.
Where's the gaff? Where is it? Where's the gaff?
Should be
Look
behind
how
you.
big it is
Behind
next
me?
to
Where would you put it? No, right behind you, cuz. Right behind you.
Give me the gaff.
I saved him. Bucket is still going, mate?
Hey.
His neck's hard, man. He's sweating.
So I think you've got
Come on, mate. Lift him up this way, Walid. Go right back yet.
Wow. It's pregnant.
Oh, that's a beast, mate. Honestly. That's a good fish.
Can't even get my hand around the tail.
That's a big fish.
That's a
man.
fish, mate.
Well done, mate.
I told you I was gonna get it.
I thought you had a shark.
I told you I was gonna get it.
Come on, Bucko.
Bucket, sorry, mate. Take it easy, Bucket. Slowly. Yeah, slowly. No, he's alright. He's alright, mate. Come on, let's go. This is another. Slowly.
Slowly.
I'm going to drop my one down.
Yeah, sit with Malik. That's it. Slowly up, mate.
Oh,
What you see when it popped out?
oh my God, I'm like, that's not a shark,
When it
mate.
surfaced, that looked amazing, didn't it? Oh, I wish everyone can come up here on this trip, I tell ya.
That's what we call
You
it on.
can't. What did you catch it on,
School
mate?
mackerel
Get a
strips.
school mackerel strip.
Hey,
Oh, yeah, look how much you reeled it in. He nearly reeled it through the friggin' rings, through the guides. Oh my God. Jurassic Park has lived up to its name. Look at that. Lift him up, Walid. Lift him up here. Friggin' hell.
Sinker.
That's a big red. Lift him up.
Yeah.
Lift him up, mate.
Ali. There we
Oh
go.
my
Bucket.
God.
Hold on.
Turn it around.
Woo!
That's friggin' hell. You can't understand how big it is on recording it like this. You've got to see it. Oh. How heavy is it? Look at the other one next to it.
They're both monsters, man.
Unbelievable.
Hey, we gave it a resting
They're
spot.
huge, man.
For good reason, huh?
Mate.
Boys came back.
That's
fillet is?
Whose fillet is?
Mine.
Give me
That's
a look.
another one.
Which fillet, mate? That's what we're using for bait.
That's our bait.
Alright, you want to show how we do it, mate? Show the
Just grab the hook
boys
here.
and girls back home. Lift it up, mate.
Alright.
Bucky, you look a bit puffed.
So what we do,
Get the,
one
what size
strip.
hook you got there, mate?
9.0 gammy.
9.0 gammy.
octopus,
Yeah, we
and that's it, boys.
lip it through like that.
And then we put it
Flap
down.
around down here for that current, and yeah,
We'll put it down now and we'll see if we get a bite.
I reckon good chance, mate. All right, I'm gonna have to turn this off, mate. This is unbelievable. I just can't get over the size of these reds, mate. They're freaking huge.
Hey,
What the hell is trying to talk to us? All right,
ads.
Yeah.
boys, thumbs up. Well, it, boys, ooh, thumbs up. Yeah.
Hey.
All right.
Karma, or was it me?